Hello everybody! Today we are going to have some fun. We are going to create our own religion. What? Yes, exactly, you heard me right. We are going to create our own religion. Why would we do that? Because it's fun, and because it's easy, and because we can. This video is not intended to offend anybody or to challenge anybody's beliefs. We are just here to have fun. So let's start. The tools we are going to use are ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, and we are also going to use a text editor, in this situation Visual Studio Code. This tutorial is intended to both developers and non-developers. The process is going to go like this. We have a prompt that is prepared in advance. We are going to use the instructions in this prompt with ChatGPT to obtain our content for our new religion. In order to have a religion, first you have to have an ideology. In the beginning, we have a description of our new religion. The name of the religion is RoboScience, of course, what else? And the belief system is the following. There is an almighty God that resides in our galaxy, hidden from the eyes of everyday people. His name is SORICH. It's SORICH, not so rich, okay? Okay. He has the biggest spaceship tyre collection in the Milky Way. If you follow the religion strictly, you'll receive some blessings. He can bestow upon you 500 or more years of lifespan. You can win the lottery twice in a year, or you can be loved by anyone or anything, including stray dogs. Sounds interesting, right? After we provide the description to ChatGPT, we will use the following prompts. 1. Create the commandments of SORICH. Create a list of capital sins according to SORICH. This is number 2. Create a call to action to all RoboScience believers. This is number 3. After creating a new religion, there is no sense in keeping it to ourselves. We have to spread the word about it. And for this, the best way I have thought about is to create a website. So we will have a prompt that asks ChatGPT to create a website for us. And this prompt starts here. And we will ask ChatGPT to create the code for this. And don't worry if you are not a developer. You just copy and paste this text into separate files, and then everything should work. And there you have it. You are going to have your own religion. Let's start. We're going to the ChatGPT website, official website, which is free. I already mentioned that. And we'll paste the first part of our prompts. As you can see, ChatGPT is going to create a short version or a synthesized version of what we pasted. Let's ask for the commandments, because a religion cannot exist without commandments, right? Thou shalt honor SORICH above all. Sounds like it. Thou shalt bring offerings of red wine. I like this guy. He's going to show some parties, I think. Okay. Now let's continue the fun. We're going to ask ChatGPT for a list of capital sins, because religions have capital sins, don't they? Arrogance. Oops, I may have already failed this one. Okay, we're going to create a call to action to the RoboScience believers. Believers of RoboScience, heed the call of SORICH. The next step would be to generate a site. We copy the prompt. You can follow along if you want to. Nice. It has also generated the CSS file. What can you ask for? It's perfect. Well, let's try it first, but it looks right. So let's start with the first page. The index page, which is also called the home page, And let me show you what you have to do. You just go to Visual Studio Code and create a page for each page that was generated by ChatGPT. For example, we have this first page. It's called index.html. We go here, we create a file with that name. Okay? And then we copy the code. Just click here. We go back and we paste it. We save it. And we do this for all the pages that are generated by ChatGPT. This looks good. We have our site in place. We are going to notice that there are image references inside the pages. We can browse our website now, but the images are going to be missing. So the next step will be to create the images. For this, we are going to use Microsoft Copilot. If we go to our text editor, we will find out that images are named image 1, image 2, and so on, up to image 6, I think. We can take the pages in no particular order and see the images they contain. For example, the index page, which is the first page, contains image 1. The only image that is shown in this page should contain something that is very representative for our religion, the religion of SORICH. Okay, so I decided for this prompt. Create a very important looking person that emanates light and sits on a planet. There are tires and bottles of red wine floating in the air. Oh, that sounds important. Hey, that looks so nice, man. I don't know what to choose. Actually, this one is cool. This one is also cool, but this person does not look like a god. Although the image is so cool. This one doesn't look so nice. I love this one also, but I think I'll go with this one. We download the image. We drag the image into the folder where we have the code. In our situation, we drag it directly in the Visual Studio Code window on the left hand side. And now, see, this is the image. We have to look back where we started from at the index page. And the image is called image1.jpg. We're going to rename this with the same name, image1.jpg. Okay, and now we created the first image. 5 more to go. If we go back to our site in the browser and we refresh the page and go to the home page, we have our first image. And it looks pretty nice, actually. I like it. I really like it. And we're going to repeat the exact same operation for all the images.
A few moments later.
Let's revisit our website. And I love this image. Now we have our website in place. Everything is working as expected. Thank you, and may SORICH be with you.